Hey guys, so before I start this video, I do want to give a shout out to @xbellnoah. Thank you girls so much for purchasing a super thanks. That just helps me a lot. It helps my channel, but just you watching, that's more than enough. Thank you so much for purchasing a super thanks. I really appreciate it, girl, and I hope you enjoy this one because this is Society Apartments. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm here at Society at Henderson Apartments. Wow, this was far away and traffic was crazy, so it was a little bit, it took me a minute to get here, but we're here. Let's check them out. They look really nice. I know they are the sister property of Revolution and Maverick, so I know that they're kind of similar, but they have like different finishes, so let's see what they offer. Let's go.
too, girl. You get a 55-inch.
Oh,
Smart
I
TV.
like
You do.
Sweet. What are you? This one is so cute. Okay, you guys, so that was the Society apartments. They were so freaking nice, you guys. Like, the inside of these properties are so nice. So the lady that helped me, her name was Veronica. She was amazing. 10 out of 10 customer service. So let's go through the floor plans that I saw, application fees and stuff. So the floor plan that we saw is a 1x1B. That is 898 square feet. That is going for 1,870. Then the 2x2C is the smaller version of the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,123 square feet, and it's going for $2,095, so $2,095. And then the 2x2D, which is the larger one, it's 1,219 square feet, and that one is going for $2,145. They have a 3-bedroom that is 3x2E. I didn't see that one, but that one is 1,390 square feet, and that one is going for $2,525. So it says prices include water, sewer, valet trash, renter's legal liability, or RLL, tech package with smart home, including doorbell camera, element thermostat, Cox cable package with HBO Showtime, and that is 250 gigs internet. So move-in fees is security deposit on approved credit is 250, one-time non-refundable admin fee is 260, holding fee is 100, application fee per person over $18 18 years old is $50. And then it says short-term lease fee is 3 to 5 months is $200. You have the upgrades, which is hard surface flooring upgrade is $50 per month. First floor upgrade 3-story is $25 per month. Second floor upgrade 2-story is $50 per month. Pool location main second, so that's, I'm guessing, facing the pool, is $200 and $75 per month. Garage 11x21 is $175 per month. Storage unit is 5x6, $50 per month. Then you have 11x5, it is $75 per month. And then non-refundable pet fees is $300 under 25 pounds. Non-refundable pet fees over 25 pounds is $500 per pet. Pet rent under 25 pounds is $25 per month. Pet rent over 25 pounds is $35 per month. Breed restrictions apply. Pet screening required. Please request a list from the leasing office. Also, with this apartment, you do have to make 3 times base rent. All right, now let's see how far everything is at from this place. So where that blue dot, that is where these apartments are at. So your closest Walmart is going to be 11 minutes away. So it looks like you have 2 targets. One is 14 minutes away. The other one is 15 minutes away. Costco is 8 minutes away. Sam's Club is 15 minutes away. Smith's is either 13 minutes away or 13 minutes away, so same distance. Albertsons is 7 minutes away. Trader Joe is 12 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be either 16 minutes away or 13 minutes away. So there's one a little bit closer than the other, so it's up to you which one you want to go to. Winco is going to be 20 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 17 minutes away. The airport is going to be 21 minutes away. The Paris Hotel is going to be 30 minutes away. The Paris Hotel I like to choose because it is the strip and I feel like it's right in the middle. So that is why I choose the Paris. Fremont Street is 40 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 32 minutes away. So if you don't have a car and rely on buses, you have one and it is 11 minutes away from these apartments. Living Spaces is going to be 45 minutes away. That is the only one that we have here, and that's going to be 45 minutes away. Okay, you guys, so that was Society Henderson apartments. I do really like these apartments. They are very out here, as you guys can see on the map. We're very close to the highway to California, so we're really on the outskirts of Las Vegas, but let me tell you, this area is so quiet. There is a couple of construction zones happening, so that's going to be probably something that you will see. But overall, you guys, I give this place pretty, like a good 10 out of 10. I love the area. It's very quiet. You are surrounded by a lot of factories, so just be mindful for that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. If you did, give it a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. And please go see Veronica. She was so friendly, you guys. So definitely let her know that I sent you. Also, I did want to mention I do not get paid from any apartments. This is just purely informational review, whatever you want to call it. I just hope that it helps you and it helps you narrow your decision in moving to Las Vegas. So I really do hope this helps you guys. Thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.